Hello and welcome to Who Did I Just Hire? A Manager's Guide for Successfully Building Skills to Retain Gen Z Employees. If you don't know who Gen Zs are, they're up to the age of 23. This is my week 7 signature assignment. And my subject matter experience comes from working with young adults ages 14 to 23 for over 15 years in the nonprofit and secondary education sectors. I am currently working with students now to gain work study opportunities, teach work readiness skills, and life preparation. I find this subject interesting because many of the managers that I've interviewed express their frustrations or concerns of hiring young adults, but not being able to retain their services. The students have also expressed the needs that the companies are not providing. 1, they're bored. 2, supervisor or their peer support should remain focused on their daily assigned task, and it's not there. 3, overwhelmed by the demands of the job or supervisor and feel better about opportunities that are somewhere else. And 4, angry or disappointed at the amount of pay their position is worth, and will hop from job to job until stumbling upon an opportunity that fits their current needs. I also have a short video here that you can watch on your own time. It's about 2 minutes, which talks about students who have graduated and how they felt that schools or secondary schools prepared them for life. I chose the ADDIE model to design this project. We know that time is valuable in business, and this model offers a phased approach to complete training and evaluation. The skills learned are constructive and can be transported to other jobs or career fields, and the skills acquired by this training will significantly raise workplace productivity. And those 5 phases of the ADDIE model was analysis, which I also had to go and get all the information. I originally started this project as something that the businesses could help students prepare for work or prepare for employment, but come to find out that there were deeper needs that the employer had and the students didn't have, which came up with the idea of building skills for employment for the Gen Z worker. Phase 2 in design, where you take all this information using a mind map and trying to plug in some information that would be helpful towards businesses, which I've learned from the interviews. In the development stage, we began to create the course. And phase 4 of implementation, after the course testing, shared with learners. And of course, phase 5, where we evaluate the entire program, which we will discuss more in this topic on some other slides. Our learning objectives, our goals of instruction. We're going to create a plan to assist the Gen Z employees with social and workplace skills. We're going to demonstrate strategies for creative problem solving. And we're going to discuss the unique environment of a business regarding productivity and emergency procedures. Task 1. Design a chart to assist the employee comprehension of workplace reporting procedures, responsibilities, and job titles. We're going to discuss with the new hire the job requirements chart, describe the duties and responsibility of each position, illustrate the importance of task completion and time management, getting things done in a certain time. We'll cite the protocols for dealing with emergency situations. So these are the tasks that the individual will have to know how to do. These tasks are designed by the manager to give to the new hire. Task 2. Use activities, case scenarios, and peer mentoring to help new employees with problem solving. We're going to write the skills required to perform each job duty, just so we understand them. We're going to role play with peers the social skills needed to engage with customers and employees. And we're going to apply case scenario videos to possible real-life work situations. These are things that are happening at different jobs and different things that go on that were unexpected and how to deal with them. Task 3. We're going to try and contrast the differences between the business requirements of an employee compared to the educational requirements of communication and stress management. So here we will learn, the learner will role play, stressful and real world situations while maintaining a positive attitude. The learner will practice effectively communicating and keeping their emotions balanced while giving constructive criticism. Learner will also absorb mentors and other experienced employees conducting during a crisis. So they're going to watch their conduct during the crisis. They're going to learn how to have constructive criticism during a crisis. And they're going to role play and stress real world situations and maintaining a positive attitude during a crisis. What will be evaluated? The evaluation assessment of tasks will include the listing of job requirements. What's required of you? What are the outcomes of the role play activities? What did you get out of the role play activities? Explain it. Learners are to complete a survey after each section of skills required, whether it was helpful, whether it was not helpful, what is enough, not enough. Learners are to complete a course review of the entire course, that in the future we may go to a rapid learning model and building templates out of each group that we find that the information was too much or too less, and to speed up the process of learning. And remember, a business that does not adapt will soon be out of business. Thank you for listening.